What used to require scraping scripts, infrastructure, and maintenance is now a 2-minute browser setup for non-technical users and a scalable API for developers to scrape SEC filings effortlessly. Go to your data source page. Minexa automatically identifies the structure as it appears in the browser, so no HTML inspection or setup is needed. Open the extension. Minexa begins reading the page structure instantly. Press. It detects how new results appear as you navigate the page. Minexa detected how this site loads more results. It will follow every page automatically without any extra setup. Decide between scraping results only or clicking into every row for more. Click Continue for direct pages. Switch to advanced mode when the page requires interaction steps before data appears. Click Create Scraper if the highlighted section looks right. Minexa will pick the most stable way to read this page for consistent extraction every time. Your full data structure is ready. Select the fields you want, and this scraper will use them every time it runs. Here you can extract filing dates, document types, and download links for SEC filings. Click API Request to get code that scrapes from saved HTML files instead of hitting the live page every time. Consistent every time. Click Complete Configuration, and your scraper will produce the same structured output on every run. Full dataset coverage is built in. The scraper will follow every page of results without any extra steps. Click to create your job. Everything else here is optional, but worth a look if you want automated or scheduled extraction. Click Run, and Minexa applies deterministic extraction rules. Reruns on unchanged pages produce identical outputs for reproducibility. This entire dataset was produced by a scraper that is now saved to your account. You can run it again anytime through the extension or API without retraining. Typical data points include filing date, description, document type, and download links, all structured reliably for analysis. Export the dataset. Running this scraper again later produces a fresh file with the exact same structure. Run large-scale batch extraction with a single scraper. Process tens of thousands of URLs in parallel without changing a thing.